Hey Tech Team Blazers, welcome back to GadgetsIgnitor, where we dive deep into the tech ocean. Today we are unraveling the enigma of time series analysis, the magic wand that predicts the future based on ticking of the clock. I am Ramesh and get ready for a tech journey with a bunch of humor. Time series analysis is like the wizardry of predicting the future, but instead of crystal balls, we use algorithms and historical data. It's predicting trends and patterns over time. Basically, time travel for tech geeks. Now let's talk about the tick-tock of time series analysis. It's not just the sound of a clock, it's the rhythm of data. Algorithm walks into the data party, and it's got to dance to the beat of time. It stamps. 1 2 predict. It's a tech dance off. But wait, there's an autocorrelation stand-up act in the show. Autocorrelation is like telling the algorithm to check if it laughed at its own joke from the previous time. Stamp. If it did, it means there's a pattern and the algorithm is on a roll. The rolling averages comedy sketch. It's like trying to find the trend by smoothing out the bumps in the data. Imagine ironing out the wrinkles in a tech superhero cape. No wrinkles, no anomalies. Now let's dive into forecasting. Time series analysis is the weatherman of the tech world. It's look at the past weather data to predict if it's going to rain or shine in the future. It's like having a tech umbrella for your data. But what about the seasons? It's like breaking down a TV series into episodes. Each season has its own storyline. Time series analysis does the same, breaking down data into trends, seasons, and residuals. And just when you think you have got it all figured out, there's the outliner plot twist. Outliners are like the unexpected guest at the tech party. They show up uninvited and mess with the algorithm's predictions. It's the tech version of drama. Applause please, time series analysis isn't just for predicting weather. It's the mess show of finance, healthcare, and even social media trends. It's like saying you are not just analyzing time, you are the director of a blockbuster data movie. There you have it, time travelers. Time series analysis making the past predict the future and bringing a little comedy to the tech stage. If you enjoyed this tech comedy, don't forget to hit the like button and share the now and subscribe to GadgetsIgnitor for more tech humor. Until next time, keep those gadgets giggling and time stamps